how to redeem Asos gift card. Now, if you wish to redeem an Asos gift card, all you have to do is launch the Asos app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now, once you've done this and you log into your account, tap on the three lines option that you can see at the very top left hand side of the screen. After that, tap on the option that says My Account, and when you come to My Account, go to the option that says Gift Cards and Vouchers. Once you're here, tap on Add a Gift Card/Voucher option, then select the option called Gift Card from the top. Over here, you simply have to enter your 16-digit gift card code at the top box. At the other box, you have to enter your 4-digit PIN, which is a security PIN. Then if both of the details are correct, when you tap on the Add Gift Card option, your gift card will be successfully redeemed within your Asos account and will be successfully used next time whenever you place a certain order. This way you'll be able to check your Asos and then go ahead and then redeem it of the gift card. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.